The Dubai royal family is one of the richest in the world, with a massive net worth of over $300 billion as listed by Bloomberg. This makes them one of the richest royal families in the world, with every single member of the family having significantly more money than most of their counterparts from other countries. A net worth like that, coupled with control of most of the country's main resources, surely puts them in a position of luxury, and well, they don't disappoint, especially when you take a look at the luxurious life of Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, popularly known as Fazza, which means the one who helps. There's quite a lot to uncover with Fazza and how he spends his incredible wealth, and in today's video we'll be taking you through the luxurious life of Dubai's Prince Fazza. Do stay tuned and enjoy! Fazza is the son of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, who is currently the Vice President, Prime Minister and Minister of Defense for the United Arab Emirates. Fazza was educated in Dubai at the Rashid School for Boys before then moving on to the Dubai School of Government. He then further continued his studies in the United Kingdom, graduating from Sandhurst in 2001 before attending the London School of Economics later on. He's the Crown Prince of Dubai and has previously served as the Deputy Ruler of Dubai for a brief tenure of 2 years. Away from Fazza's early life, educational background, and early political career, the Crown Prince has quite the social life, and interestingly, he's popular on social media, having an Instagram account with over 15 million followers. Via that account, Fazza is always seen posting about his hobbies and interests. As well, there are quite a lot of things under his list of interests, from being a lover of horses to liking poetry, sports, photography, skydiving, scuba diving, cycling, and a host of other adventures. One thing that is particularly seen with Fazza is that he's a huge lover of horses. And to back this up, he's the proud owner of over 100 horses. He also has more than 120 camels at his farm, and there, he's also got some big cats that he enjoys playing with. For someone who has also got a huge net worth of around $400 million, Sheikh Hamdan has a fleet of luxury vehicles, including an envious collection of 6 amphibious cars known as the Python. He also owns an extraordinary collection of tanks, which he takes to drive in the vast sands around his country. To add to these, he also has an impressive number of golden cars, including a Lamborghini and Range Rover, as well as a Bentley Bentayga, and his own collection of Rolls Royces. Part of his collection is also a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse and a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, both of which are 2 luxurious cars to add to his collection. If you've got such a collection of cars, then it's only befitting that you have a means of air and sea travel as well. Fazza has got more than one in each category. He is the proud owner of 2 private jets and 2 yachts, with one of his yachts known to be among the biggest in the world. One of his yachts, named Quattro L, which was purchased for around $180 million, is well designed and built to accommodate 16 guests and 8 staterooms. It's also got a gymnasium, a spa, and a hairdressing salon, a massage room, and several pools. To add to this, the yacht also has a support yacht called the Quattro L Shadow. His other yacht, Smeralda, which was purchased at $75 million, and this yacht can accommodate 12 guests and a crew of 24. In addition to all these, Fazza is also the owner of one of Canada's most expensive penthouse condos. The total transaction for the purchase actually included 3 penthouse floors, which were for a total of $55 million. It's also reported that he's in charge of Zabil Investments, a company that is in charge of Jumeirah Zabil Saray, a 5-star hotel that reportedly cost $12 billion to build. Despite being very rich and also living the life, Fazza is known to be a philanthropist, and he also has quite a number of impressive initiatives which he has set up to tackle social issues in Dubai and across the United Arab Emirates. What impresses you the most about Fazza's possessions? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out This Is How Saudi's Prince Salman Spends His $2 Trillion Fortune.